What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the MFG Code. Today we are starting our very easy projects in Python series with you. I should say that the difficulty of the projects will increase with each video. Our first project is average grades. First, let's explain how our program executed. We will enter 5 grades into this program and it will give our average. For example, 80. And second one 40, and third 70, and then maybe 100, and the last one is 30. Average grade is 64 and B. Let's start coding. First of all, I create an empty list to add the inputs I will receive from user here. For example, grade list equal to square brackets. Since I will receive 5 inputs from the user respectively, I need to use a loop. I prefer to use the for loop. Here it will cycle 5 times from 1 to 6. For I in range 1 to 6. Here it will cycle 5 times from 1 to 6. We will add each entry we received to the empty list so that we can easily get the average of these grades. I will use input function with eval function. X equal to eval input and into the notification message I will write a notification message for the user here. Grade and format method. Important point here is to tell the user which node to enter from the user. I want to say this as grade 1, grade 2 every time. I will use the format method for this. I'm writing I into the format method and 0 index. I have to add every input I receive to the empty list with the append method. Grade list dot append x. To create a variable named grade. Finally, I need to take the average of the grades added to the list. I can use the sum method to sum the elements in the list. Sum grade list divided by 5. If I divide it by 5, I can find the average grade. Now I can start writing if-else statement. If, for example, 100 grade and 80 print A and print average grade, and again I can use format methods. Format grade. Instead of entering a number, the user may enter something else, and in this case it may be a message that we want to show the user. I can use try and expect statements. try and accept. Print, for example, please enter the number and maybe try again. Let's run the program. We can add 2 points here. Yes, I am back, and the user can input, for example, 5, and the program, please enter the number, try again. Maybe quotation mark. Try and expect statements is working here. Thank you for listening to me, and please subscribe my channel and like the video. See you later.